We're starting from absolute scratch. This is where the legendary Yamaha BMS Chopper is born on paper.
The backbone of this beast takes shape as high-tensile steel is hydraulically forged into that legendary, sweeping chopper chassis.
Precision robotic arms fuse the structural joints with flawless TIG welding, ensuring maximum structural integrity for the heavy frame. At the heart of the chopper lies a massive V-twin. We witness the raw engineering of the engine block being forged under extreme pressure. Multi-axis CNC machines carve the cooling fins and cylinder bores with micron-level accuracy, revealing a mechanical masterpiece. Inside this dust-free facility, the heavy-duty pistons and crankshaft are carefully installed into the powerhouse of the machine. Next, the massive engine covers undergo a specialized chemical plating process, transforming into deep, mirror-finished chrome. Crafting the iconic teardrop fuel tank requires a blend of human artistry and robotic precision to achieve smooth, flowing contours. A solid block of billet aluminum is aggressively carved away to birth the chopper's massive, custom-engineered rear wheel hub.
The massive single-sided swing arm is forged next, engineered to withstand the extreme torque of the V-twin power plant.
The radical, extended front forks are meticulously assembled, featuring heavy-duty internal dampening for ultimate stability.
Ergonomics meets luxury. Premium leather is laser-cut and stitched with absolute precision to create the chopper's ultra-low-profile seat.
The aggressive drag-style handlebars are sculpted, featuring clean, internal routing for all electrical and hydraulic lines.
We mount the massive 300mm rear tire onto the golden rim, designed to deliver maximum grip and presence.
The radical front fork assembly is integrated into the steering head, establishing the long, raked-out stance of the chopper. The massive single-sided swing arm is joined to the frame, followed by the installation of the high-performance carbon drive belt.
The heart meets the soul. The heavy V-twin engine is precisely hoisted and bolted into the heart of the golden chassis. The beautiful golden fuel tank is docked onto the top frame, instantly definiting the unmistakable silhouette of the BMS. A heavy-duty, weather-sealed wiring harness is routed internally through the frame, linking every component to the master brain.
The radical front fork assembly is integrated into the steering head, establishing the long, raked-out stance of the chopper.
An advanced air suspension system is tucked beneath the frame, allowing the rider to adjust the bike's ground clearance on demand.
This is the turning point. A specialized robotic system applies a breathtaking, genuine 24-karat yellow gold plating across the frame.
The custom front and rear fenders receive their final layers, sealed under an ultra-hard, UV-resistant protective clear coat.
We inject premium fluids into the veins of this machine, followed by dropping in the high-output battery to awaken the electronics. Strapped onto the dyno, the chopper roars to life for the first time, calibrating horsepower and torque output to absolute perfection. From a raw digital blueprint to a golden legend rolling on asphalt, the Yamaha BMS Chopper is fully alive, ruling the open highway.